easy. There's the queen.
You found the queen?
Yeah, she's very agitated. She's not laying. She's to the left now, right here.
Yeah.
You got the queen?
Mm-hmm.
That's very exciting. That's an unwell queen. What does an unwell queen look like? I want to see if this is a quieter hive. That'll tell me something. Right now they're just filling honey in the top. See all this propolis? Jesus, all these are drone. Do a video of what drone looks like. Alright, so this is good. This is pollen. There's the queen. See her?
Nope.
Up high, top of the frame. She's going over it now. Nope, she's going down right here, right where my thing is. Now she's going back down. You see her?
Yep.
Okay. She's not frenetic, right?
Yeah, she's much calmer.
She's calmer. She's walking through. But what I want you to see is all the brood that's under there. This is a queen right colony. I'm going to put her back, okay?
Okay.
Because I'm going to put her this way. Okay, so that's great. Hive number 1, it's the Carniolan queen, and she is laying. And it's a good brood pattern. It's just hive number 2. I will call up and get a new queen. You want to install a queen for me if I'm not here?
Yeah.